Hey everybody, hope you're having a great dust-free day. And nothing's worse than getting dust in your work environment, or like me, you eat by your desk and you get food in your keyboard, and then you need to dust off that area, especially in the keyboard. You start getting little stuff in between the keys. And you probably have those little canisters or the bigger canisters with the plastic straw. You spray, and they are somewhat powerful, but then they get cold quickly and it gets expensive. So I want to share with you about a way to save money long-term, help the environment with this air duster. This was sent to me to review. I will put a link in the description where you get more information. You can ask questions, you could read reviews. Do appreciate you clicking on the link if you are interested in checking it out and possibly ordering it. Also appreciate a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel, and I'll be sure to subscribe back to yours. This is the box that it came in. Also comes with the micro USB cable, and the charging port is right here in the back. And then you have your user manual, but it's pretty self-explanatory how to use. As far as charging it, it takes 3 hours of charging time and 30 minutes of use. And again, you have the micro USB connection. As far as the weight, it's 0.66 pounds. It does come with a 1-year limited warranty. And so those are the most important things to know. It's got about 15 reviews currently as of this video being out, and it's got about 4.5 out of 5 stars. So it's definitely worth to check it out. So when it comes, the hose comes off and it actually connects on the bottom like this. So when you're using it, you just plug it in like this, and now you're good to go. You have your, right here, you've got your lever, which turns it on. To turn it on, and you'll hear it is a bit loud. It takes 2 presses. So let me go ahead and double press, move this out of the way. I'll demonstrate as well with my keyboard. So we're gonna turn it on. So you can hear it is loud, and so you'll just have to use it times that are appropriate, especially when you're in an office environment with other people. And it really is great for a keyboard. And as I said, I eat around my keyboard a lot, and so sometimes what I'll do, because before this, and I had another product, I would take my keyboard, tap, and then the dust would come out. But I could just use this product, and then I could just get the airflow going in there and getting any of the loose particles out. And give you an idea here from my hair. I mean, it's like almost as it feels almost powerful as some blow dryers. So this thing really has some juice. It works. You're helping the environment, and you're going to save money long term. So you want to check it out. If you are in the market for an air duster, if you're an office manager and you want to give these out as maybe executive gifts, or for your employees, or have a couple on the floor and then you could share it with your employees, definitely check it out. A great product to have. And of course, you can use it in your car, you can use it in your furniture. And then of course, the keyboard is a place where you'd most likely use it. So very nice product. Check it out today. Let me know if you have any questions. You can leave those in the comments. If you are using this, please leave comments there as well. And I really do appreciate your time. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.